Well, hello YouTube. Oh, bearded guy Jeff Lawless here. We just got our little Dodge Caravan rebuilder. We got it back together, and it's not perfect by no means. It was a very old paint job. We just kind of cleaned it up and re-cleared it, throw it back together, did a little more detail. It turned out it's all right. It displays better than it did before. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell and leave us a comment. We love reading them comments. So we're going to turn you around here and let you check her out. Hang tight. All right, here we go, y'all. Like I said, this is what we came out with. So we can put us our license plate on the rear with a photo etch license plate ring. So we took and re-tinted the glass. Like I said, it's nowhere near perfect, but it's a whole lot better than what it was. My wife, she loves the Happy Bunny stuff, so my old buddy Kelly, this is one of them he printed, so she likes it, Kelly. She had to have it on her hand. Let's see if we get around here where we can see the gauges in it, maybe. Or the radio and stuff. There you can kind of see it. Oh, that radio kind of looks like a digital screen on it. So, but that's it, y'all. Like I said, that's it on that one, y'all. We'll be moving on to another build here for long. We're gonna get in there, yeah. Got to finish up our El Camino. Then we're going to get started on, let's see if we can see this kit up here anywhere. I don't know. It's up there somewhere. Our buddy build with Dean. We're using the old Pro 1972 Nova kits. So keep an eye out for it. Like I said, in this video here, check out all my links in the description of the video. Check them out. And the scale finishes, we still have a 10% discount code, all capital letters, bearded 10. All right, folks, so here's what we use for clear on this thing. This is scale finishes, 2K clear.